Hi, I'm Iggy with Lincoln Electric, and if you weren't able to join us here at FABTECH, let me show you what we have in our automation line. First, we're showing off our brand new LinkCut 3015 fiber laser, able to pierce up to 3/4 of an inch and cut production up to 5/8. Next, we have our Inspector, which is a quality control system that allows you to check and no-go or go all of your parts. Next, we have our AGV material handling that will go to and from the weld cell and the sorter. And after that, we then have our E-cell welding cell, which is actually manufacturing parts that we cut from the LinkCut to the AGV and the sorter, and we are making a little phone holders for you to take home.